Hey there, future cruisers. Welcome to the channel, Foreign Travel Adventures. If you're planning your first Carnival cruise, or maybe you're just curious about what to expect, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing 10 essential tips to help you have the best vacation ever aboard a Carnival ship. Alright, tip number 1. Book early. The earlier you book, the more likely you are to snag some great deals. Carnival often offers discounts, and the sooner you get in, the better your cabin choices. So don't wait. Next up, download the Carnival Hub app. It's essential. This app is your go-to for everything on the ship. Checking out the daily schedule, making dinner reservations, or even chatting with your cruise buddies. Trust me, it'll make your life so much easier while you're on board. Tip number 3. Know your dining options. Carnival offers tons of great food choices, from casual buffets to more formal dining rooms. One of the best things? Carnival has your time dining, which gives you flexibility. You don't have to stick to a specific dinner time. Plus, don't forget about the specialty dining options for an extra treat, like the steakhouse or the Italian restaurant. Tip number 4. Pack smart. You don't need to overpack. Carnival offers laundry services, so you can wash clothes if you need to, but do make sure to pack the essentials. Sunscreen, comfy shoes for exploring, and a swimsuit for all those pools and water slides. Also, don't forget your passport or any necessary travel documents. Tip number 5 is super important, everybody. Don't skip the muster drill. It's mandatory, and it's a quick safety briefing that could be crucial in an emergency. Plus, you'll get to know your assembly station just in case. You can usually do it right before the ship departs, so it won't take too much time. Tip number 6. Plan your shore excursions in advance. Carnival offers a ton of fun activities in every port, from sightseeing tours to adventurous ziplining. Some excursions can sell out fast, so it's best to book them early. Don't miss out on some great fun. Tip number 7. Don't overbook yourself. It can be tempting to schedule tons of activities, but remember, you're on vacation. Be sure to leave time to just relax, whether that's lounging by the pool, enjoying the spa, or just watching the sunset with a cocktail in hand. Leave some fun for your next cruise. Tip number 8. Take full advantage of the onboard entertainment. Carnival ships are packed with amazing shows, from Broadway-style performances to comedy clubs. There's also live music, deck parties, and even trivia games. There's always something to do, so don't miss out. Tip number 9. Explore the ship beyond the popular areas. Sure, the deck pool and the main dining room are great, but don't forget to wander around and check out some of the hidden gems. Carnival ships have cool spots like quiet lounges, the adult-only Serenity deck, and even special areas like the library or the art gallery. Take some time to explore the nooks and crannies. You might just find a peaceful spot to relax or a new activity you hadn't noticed before. And finally, tip number 10. Don't forget to just enjoy the views. The ocean is a huge part of the experience, so take time to relax on the deck, watch the sunrise, and enjoy the breeze. Trust me, it's one of the best parts of cruising. So there you have it. 10 tips to help you make the most of your first Carnival cruise. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future cruise advice and travel tips. Have any other questions or tips to share? Drop them in the comments below. I'll see you next time, and happy cruising.